Step number 4, the application process. By this time, you should know how much the application fee is there one application per adult, per couple, and is there an application for the HOA? Now, with all this information, you're gonna go ahead and submit your application and wait for the results. If the results come back as rejected, then unfortunately, you have to go somewhere else, apply again, and go through the whole process again. Now, with the rejection letter, they should send you the reason why you were rejected. It could be because of rental history, credit history, or income. If your application comes back as approved, along with that letter is going to tell you how much of a holding deposit you need to bring to the office and able to hold the property and continue the steps to move in. Now, when you bring the holding deposit, it should be the amount of 1 month or whatever is advertised, but it can never be more than 2 months, okay? Once you bring the holding deposit to the office, they're gonna set a moving date for you, which is the date the lease is gonna start, and then you're gonna sign, pick up the keys, and move into your property. With this, now, all you have to do is basically wait for them to draft the lease. Once the lease is drafted, sent to you for signature, it's very important to read the lease in detail, okay? What is included? What does the lease say? What is your responsibility as a tenant? What is your responsibility as the owner and the property management company? Very important for you to read the lease, very detailed, so you can understand what you're committing to before you sign it. Once you sign it, that means you're agreeing that everything is in there, okay? Now, once the lease is signed, now we have an executed contract, which means now you can take possession of the property, they'll hand you over the keys, and you can move into the property, all right? Now, before you move into the property, there's a few things I want you to know. That's gonna be in step number 5, so I'll see you there.